Hey, what's up everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm John. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can be able to scan your computer using Microsoft Windows Defender. Microsoft Windows Defender is an antivirus that usually comes with your copy of Windows 10 and that can greatly help you to scan your computers for viruses and malware. This is a free antivirus, so you need to take advantage of it to keep your computer free of any virus or malware. To scan your computer, all you need to do is to start the Windows Defender. There are different ways that you can be able to do this, but one of the easiest ways is by searching it. So head on to your search bar and search for Windows Defender. It should be one of the best match that will appear. Just click to open the app. When the Windows Defender application opens, there's a good chance that you'll be taken to its home. Here, you'll have a dashboard showing your security at a glance. You'll be able to see what's happening with the security and the health of your device, and you can be able to take any action if needed. If you want to enhance your security, you can sign in using your Microsoft account. As you can see with my dashboard, everything seems good. There are no threats found. As you can see, everything is ticked with the white tick and a green circle. If you find a red or orange circle, then it means you need to take some action. Like you can see, in my case, I have not signed in to Microsoft Windows Defender using my Microsoft account, in which case I need to do the same so that I can enhance my security. To move along the application, you can do that using the various options on your left pane here. I can be able to move from home to virus and threat protection, app and browser control, all through to family options. When you click on a specific option, its information will be displayed on the right part here. In our case, we are interested with scanning the device, so we are going to select the virus and threat protection. From here, I'll be able to see the virus and threat protection. I can also be able to see the current threats, if any, and the last time that the scan was done. Upon opening the virus and threat protection option, you'll be taken to that page. From here, you can be able to see the current threats that has been detected by the antivirus. And you'll also be able to see when the last scan was done. If you're looking forward to scan folders and files where viruses are commonly found, you can run a quick scan. Just click on this button. But if you're looking forward to do a full scan, a customized scan, you just need to come and click the scan options. So from here, you can be able to run a quick, full, custom or Windows Defender offline scan. You just need to come and select the option from down here. When you select an option, just come and click scan. Say for instance, I want to do a full scan. I'll just click on that. This one will check all the files running programs on my hard disk, and this could take longer than an hour. Custom scan, this is where you can come and select the different folders that you want to scan. If I come and select on this option and then I select scan, this will open the file explorer. From here I can come and select the file that I want to scan, and then I can come and select folder. So just come and select the scan that you want to do, and then you come and just say scan now. So the scan will start automatically, and this will take time depending on the number of files that are being scanned. You can still continue working on your computer as the scanning is going on. And that's how you can be able to scan your computer for viruses using the Windows Defender. Hope the video was helpful. Kindly like and share the video so that we can share this knowledge with the world. Subscribe for more videos and click that notification bell so that you are notified of future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.